Good morning, everyone. Okay, so we are starting it now. Let's wait another minute.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Very few students are there in the meeting, so let's wait for another minute. Okay, so yeah. Have we started 10.2 or not? We have all have completed exercise 10.1, all of you?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have completed.
Very good. We will start exercise 10.2 now. Question A. First part. Round off to nearest 10,000. You have to round off the number up to nearest 10,000. So let us take the first one. This is 3,61,532. Nearest 10,000 में आपको round off करना है. So 3,61,532. 10,000 में कितने zeros होते हैं? There are 4 zeros in 10,000. So in this number, there should be 4 zeros. So it could be either 3,60,000. We have to select any one of the correct answers. Or it could be 3,70,000. Out of these two, one is correct, one is wrong. So how will you find out that which one is correct? You will see the digit which is at the thousands place. What is the digit at thousands place here? Thousands place में is 1. The digit at the thousands place is 1. 1 is the digit. ये वाली digit को देखना है. Okay. So this digit is 1. 1 is smaller than 5 or greater than 5?
Sir, 1. Sir, smaller.
Smaller than. So you will select
Yes,
the
sir.
first one. You will go back
Okay, sir.
to the previous one. Second one is wrong. Because the digit is smaller than 5. Answer is 3,60,000. Clear?
Okay.
Let's take one more example of it. Fourth one. I'm telling you the fourth one now. 67,273. So this could be write the answer to nearest 10,000.
Please tell what we are doing.
Beta, we are doing exercise 10.2 question A. First part we have done. We are about to start the fourth part. So I am explaining again the fourth part. Please pay attention. Abhiyan. The number is 67,273. You have to round off the number to nearest 10,000. Round off the number.
Sir, 10,000. Okay.
Nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000 में round off करना है. So there should be 4 zeros. 10,000 has 4 zeros. So there should be 4 zeros in the number. So it could be 60,000 or it could be 70,000. Which one is correct? How will you select? You will see the digit. What is the digit at the thousands place? What is the digit at thousands?
7. Sir, 7.
7. 7 is the digit at thousands place. 7
Yes,
is
sir.
less than 5 or more than 7 is less than 5 or more than 5?
Sir, more than 5. More than 5.
Sir,
So the answer is 7. Sir, 70,000.
70,000 is the answer. Understood all of you what to do in this?
Sir, I understood. Sir, I understood.
Can you do all the parts? Do all the
Yes,
parts?
sir.
Yes, start doing it.
Okay, sir.
Yes, done all the parts.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, let's start doing the B, question B.
Sir, please wait. Sir, now what we will be doing?
B, question number B. First part, 6,52,815. 6,52,815. This is the question. We have to round off to nearest 1 lakh. Round off to nearest 1 lakh. Nearest 1 lakh. 1 lakh में कितने zeros होते हैं बेटा? How many zeros are there in 1 lakh? 5 zeros. होते हैं. 1 lakh has 5 zeros. So you will write this like 6,52,815.
Sir, done.
Two options are there. Either it could be 6 lakh, 5 zeros, or it could be 7 lakh. 5 zeros आएंगे. देख लीजिए. आएंगे 5 zeros. Either 6 lakh or 7 lakh. One of the two is correct. Now what is the first digit?
Sir, I have gone to the washroom. Sir, please explain again.
अच्छा बेटा वीडियो देख लेना बेटा. अभी कुछ नहीं बताया बेटा मैंने. The digit which is at the 1000th place, we are doing. We have to round off this number to nearest 1 lakh. Round off the number to nearest 1 lakh. 1 lakh has 5 zeros, so either it will be 6 lakh or 7 lakh. Any one of the two is the correct answer. So you have to look at the digit which is at the 10,000 place. 10,000 place पर कौन सा digit है? 5. 5 is equal to 5. So जब भी 5 या 5 से बड़ा होता है, we move on to the next number, not the previous one. Previous वाले पे नहीं जाएंगे. Whenever the digit is 5 or greater than 5, you move on to the next one. So answer is 7 lakh. Clear? All of you understood how to do it? Can you do all the parts of this question also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm waiting for you.
Sir, I am doing.
I'm waiting for you all to do all the parts. Start doing them.
Sir, done.
Done all the parts, everyone?
Sir, I have done all parts. Sir, doing. Please. Sir, I have done. Sir, it is like the question, sir. Sir, which in which there are two, sir, arrows, sir. Sir, I have done all parts.
Very good, beta. Any help do you need? Okay, I'm giving you the answers of all the parts. You all can check your answers. Okay. मैं आपको सारे parts के answer बता रहा हूँ. You all check your answers. Okay. First part, answer is 7 lakh. Second part, the answer is 3 lakh. Third part, the answer is 17 lakh. 17 lakh. Third part.
Sir, mine is correct.
Fourth part, the answer is 6 lakh. Fourth part answer is 6 lakh. Fifth part, the answer is 57.
57.
Correct, 57 lakh. Sixth part, the answer is 22 lakh. Sixth part का answer है 22 lakh. Check your answer. 22 lakh. Seventh part, the answer is 5 lakh.
5 lakh.
Correct. Seventh part answer is 5
And
lakh.
then 66.
Seventh part the answer is 5 lakh, and then the eighth part answer is 66 lakh.
66 lakh.
Correct. Answer of eighth part is 66 lakh. How many of you have got all the answers correct?
Sir, my Muhammad Hamza.
Very good, beta. Very good. Very good.
एक मिनट, अभी बहुत बड़ा है. अब उसके बाद फिर टर्न कर दो.
Keep your mics off, everyone. Okay, let's start with question C. Are you all ready?
Solve the problem. Solve the following.
Okay. Solve the following. The population of a state in India is this. बहुत ज़्यादा population है इंडिया के state. कितनी भैया? This is 7,53,82,198. तो इंडिया का ही state हो सकता है. इतनी सारी population. Make a table rounding it to the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1,000, nearest 10,000, nearest 1 lakh, nearest 10 lakh.
And in this we have to tell or nearest.
बताइए. चलिए आइए करते हैं. Let us do question C. Very easy question. Population of a state in India. Question C for the exercise. Yeah, question C, first part. Population of a state in India. It is given. What is the population given? It is given 7 crore 53 lakh 82,000. 7 crore 53 lakh 82,000. and 198. 198. This is the population of a state in India.
We can do this with ourselves.
Which is always increasing. Yes. If you know how to do it, you can do yourself also. So you have to round off the population to nearest 10. First is nearest 10. Round off to nearest 10. Answer will be, how do you round off the number to nearest 10? You will get the answer equal to 7,53,82,200 because आगे जाकर के 90 बन जाएगा, so it becomes 200. नियरेस्ट 100 में राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तब भी नियरेस्ट 100 7,53,82,200. अगेन नियरेस्ट 100 में भी आंसर 200 ही आ रहा है बिकॉज यहाँ पर 8 के बाद 8 को 0 बना करके 9 में नेक्स्ट डिजिट पे जाना है, सो इट बिकम 0, 2 हो जाएगा. नियरेस्ट 1000, राउंड ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट 1000. इसको नियरेस्ट 1000 में भी राउंड ऑफ करना है, so this becomes, this is the number, it becomes 2000, 82,000. 7,53,82,000 आ जाएगा. Okay, then nearest 10,000. नियरेस्ट 10,000 में क्या होगा? आंसर विल बी 7,53,000, सॉरी 7,53 लाख 80. नियरेस्ट 10,000 में करना है, so it becomes 80,000. Yeah, 80,000. Nearest 1 lakh. If you round off to nearest 1 lakh, it becomes 7,54 lakh. Nearest 10 lakh. नियरेस्ट 10 लाख में भी राउंड ऑफ करना है आपको, फिर नियरेस्ट करोड़ में भी राउंड ऑफ करना है. नियरेस्ट 10 लाख में इफ यू राउंड ऑफ यू विल गेट 7,50 lakh. And if you round off the given number to nearest crore.
सर इससे भी आगे राउंड ऑफ हो सकते हैं सर, करोड़ से?
जी बिल्कुल हो सकता है. But this number cannot be rounded off to nearest 10 crore because इसकी population कम है.
Because this number is small from that.
Small है. So nearest crore में if you round off the number, you will get 8 crore. 7 zeros. 8 crore. This is the answer. Note down the equation, please, all of you. Well done the question.
ये तो फ्राइड राइस बन रहा है।
Please turn off your mics, all of you.
Sir, I have done.
Very good, beta. Let's start doing question number 2. Can you round off the second? Can you do question 2 on your own? You have to round off to nearest lakh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm giving you some time. You all can try question 2 on your own. Start doing it.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, beta. Try question 2 on your own. I'm giving you some time. Have you all done question number 2 of this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
sir, I have done 3 also.
Very good, beta. Can you tell me the answer of question 2?
Yes, sir. Sir, 46 lakh of answer 2.
Absolutely correct answer. Absolutely correct answer. Answer is 46 lakh of question 2. Nearest 1 lakh में आपको round off करना था. The answer is 46 lakh. Got it, all of you? Have you all understood?
I have done answer 3 also.
Start doing the third one, everyone. The population of a village is this. Round it out to nearest 100.
I have done third one.
It is very easy. Question number 3. Do it on your own again. Question 3. And if you can do question 3, try question 4 also. Try 3 and 4 both. Okay. Start doing.
Sir, please.
These are very simple questions. Start doing question 3 and question. Okay, leave question 4. I will explain you question 4. First do question 3, everyone. Start doing question 3. Okay, I'm telling you the answer.
Sir, the period is over. Sir, period is over.
Wait.
Sir, can I tell the answer of third one?
Yeah. Tell me the answer of third one.
5 crore 700,000 600 for 6,000.
क्या कह रहे हो बेटा? 5 करोड़ तक कहाँ पहुँच गए तुम? Question 3, I'm telling you the answer.
5,700.
Let me tell you.
5,700.
Yes. 5,700 is the first one, and second one, the answer is 6,000. 5,700
7,000
and 6,000. These are the two answers of question 3. Okay.
A second.